Does that sound like a good way to start the show?
That sounds like a great way to start the show.
Like Washington and Jefferson, Wilson and James Madison, I call the Old Dominion my home. From Charlottesville to Arlington and Newport News to Abingdon, in Richmond and in Stanton I will roam. Walk down narrow streets of cobblestone, visit Williamsburg where freedom seeds were sown. Grandpa spoke with pride of her, told tales that in my mind did stir, a sleeping history not gone away. At times I feel that life's a blur, I've traveled wide and traveled further, in my mind Virginia always stays. Jamestown lived with help from Powhatan, Monacan still inhabit Piedmont land. Virginia is the Commonwealth where I was born. The hills are all adorned with the dogwood trees, their colors sun splashed on an April morn. My allegiance I have sworn to Virginia. The cardinals are state bird, it flies through marshes, fields, and sunlit skies, bright red wings above the